In this episode, we wrap our maintenance care series by sharing resources that you can soak up next to make the best CMMS and facility management software decisions for your organization. Let's go. Hi there, welcome to part 10 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, its platform, its pricing, its alternatives, and more. In this episode, we're putting a bow on the series with the best resources that you can use to review maintenance care in more detail and make the best CMMS software decisions for your company. Links to all these resources can be found in the description. The 3 resources that you're going to want to review next are the following. Resource number 1, SelectHub Software Directory. This is an interactive directory where you can filter solutions by pricing, company size, development, platform, and industry to compare and see which CMMS solutions are best for your needs. You'll see scores and links to pricing, demos, and more. Resource number 2, SelectHub's guides on facility management. We've put together guides just for you to review the best solutions out there in detail. Check out the link in the description. And resource number 3, go straight to the source and get a maintenance care demo yourself. It's the best way to get the most up-to-date pricing, feature reviews, and potential discounts. So if it's time to finally talk to someone, use the link in the description to book a demo directly and they'll take things from there. There you go, SelectHub's 10-part maintenance care series. For the rest of the videos, including maintenance care pricing and alternatives, check out the links in the description. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.